Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello my dear students, welcome back to First Commerce Accountancy online classes. We are discussing about the concept called rectification of errors. Let's move to solve or rectify some more transactions. This depends, means these are based on rectification of errors which do not affect trial balance. The transaction number 1, goods purchased from Ram rupees 2000 omitted to be recorded. They not recorded that transaction. So actually what is the correct entry? Purchases account debited to Ram's account. This is what the correct entry they have to pass, but they not recorded the transaction in the books of accounts. They omit to record. Transactions anna avaru entry madlikke bittu bittidare, martu bittidare. So ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, entry pass ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ, they never ever pass the entry. Just how you can rectify? Just by passing the correct entry you can rectify that error. So purchases account debited to Ram's account. This is how you can rectify that mistake. 2000. And the next transaction, goods purchased from Ram. Here rupees 2000 recorded as 1000. 2000 worth value you purchased, but you recorded the transaction, that amount in the book as only 1000. So what is the correct entry? Purchase account debited 2000 to Ram's account 2000. But have you passed the entry? Have you recorded purchases account debited 1000 to Ram's account 1000? Like this way you recorded in the book. So how you can rectify this entry? You have to debit 1000 again. So purchases account debited 1000 to Ram's account 1000. 1000 you recorded here. To correct that entry you have to add 1000 again. So by recording the transaction in that way you can rectify that mistake. So purchases account debited 1000, Ram's account credited 1000. So now 2000. So see the next one, goods purchased from Ram rupees same recorded as 3000. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ, ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ. ಹೌ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೆಕ್ಟಿಫೈ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ. ಪರ್ಚೇಸಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಬಿಟೆಡ್ 2000 to Ram's account 2000. What is the wrong entry? Purchases account debited 3000 to Ram's account 3000. So how you can rectify this error? 1000 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ, 1000 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ. So by passing reverse entry you can rectify this error as Ram's account 1000 means Ram's account debited 1000 to purchases account. How much? 1000. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ 1000 ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ 1000 ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. So now the error correct ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay. So the next one. These are simple transaction recorded in sales book. Recorded as sales book. So pass the correct entry. Purchases account debited to Ram's account 2000 and 2000 but recorded in sales book as Ram's account debited to sales account 2000 and 2000. So error of principal ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದನ್ನು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಬಿಟೆಡ್ ಟು ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಏನದ ಒನ್ ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಇವಾಗ. ಸೊ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದನ್ನ ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಪರ್ಚೇಸಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಬಿಟ್, ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ಗೆ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಟು ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ನೆಲ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ debited, purchases account debited to Ram's account 2000, 2000 and 4000. In this way we can rectify that error. Let's see another transaction. Credit sales to Mohan was wrongly or was correctly recorded in sales book but was posted to Ram's account. Posted to Ram's account. I will erase these transactions. This is a continuation. So what is the first correct entry? Credit sales to Mohan. Mohan's account debited to sales account Mohan rupees 10,000. So 10,000 recorded in a sales book but was posted to Ram's account like this. Ram's account means here Ram's account debited to sales account. ಮೋಹನ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಬದಲು ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಅದನ್ನ ರೆಕ್ಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So you can rectify this entry in this way. Mohan's account debited to Ram's account. ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದನ್ನ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೆಕ್ಟಿಫೈ ದಟ್ ಎರರ್. This way. Take one more transaction. Cash paid to, or the transaction like this, rent paid to, rent paid rupees 2000 was wrongly posted, or yeah, was wrongly shown as payment to landlord. So rent paid, what is the correct entry? Cash account debited to rent account debited to cash account. This is what the correct entry for the payment of rent, but that was recorded in this way. Landlord's account debited to cash account. 2000 and 2000, here also 2000. How you can rectify this error? How you can pass the correct entry? Here there is no mistake in this cash account. Cash account is correctly shown. The mistake in this landlord account, you can rectify that mistake like this way. By passing this entry, you can rectify that error. Rent account debited to, debit agidda landlord anna credit ಮಾಡಿ. Landlord's account 2000. This way you can rectify this error. So I hope you understood the basic about how you can rectify, means how you can pass the correct entry for the mistake, means error ಆಗಿದ್ದನ್ನ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿದ್ದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಹೇಗೆ rectified entry ಅನ್ನ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ. Okay, so in next class we will discuss about the errors which affect the trial balance, that is also called as one-sided errors. Thank you for watching this video.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.